So Science and Technology Australia is an advocacy group for science. We represent 70,000 scientists and technologists in Australia. So we run a lot of events for our members, mainly as professional development opportunities. Then we do a lot of smaller events that we utilize EventsAir for, to do member meetups around the country, engage with industry and other partners. So a lot of the events that we used to run previously were just done by email, spreadsheets, very low tech, but high time cost. So having EventsAir has been really good from that perspective, that it's cut down the amount of time. So we utilize most of the modules of EventsAir. Primarily ones that we use are the agenda, accommodation, the web building capability, and the app. The app is one thing that's, I would say, revolutionized how we engage with our delegates at events. It's very intuitive to use from both an event manager perspective and also for delegates going to events and registering and using the app and things like that. From the team perspective, I'm the only one at the organization that actually uses the software. So it's more about keeping the team and other tasks on track with the project management. So they get email alerts when certain tasks are due. They can log into EventsAir to keep track of those projects that are due. And that's part of the journey getting to an event. So the team at EventsAir have been fantastic to work with. They listen to input, and you can actually see it in the software 6 months, 12 months after. So I find them just really responsive and always very nice and friendly as well. I would highly recommend EventsAir to anyone doing it the old way. It professionalizes everything, and it's one of the reasons why STA took on EventsAir as the software of choice for events. It's just very professional software.